Hello, beautiful family. Thank you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sending a lot of love and positive vibes your way. I want to start off today with the feel good food for thought. The feel good food for thought that I want to share with you is love yourself. Love yourself deeply, always, right? If you don't love yourself, you will never, ever be able to love anyone else. You will not be able to be kind to others. Be kind and loving to yourself. Learn how to do that. And once you do that, everything is going to start falling into place. Yes, this is still a hair video. So we're going to proceed to the next chapter. All right, today I am going to show you guys how to do a braidless sew-in, braidless hair extensions. Yes, they do not cause breakage, not at all. They're healthy for your hair. You can do it on any type of hair, really, as long as it's not thin. I don't recommend that because thin hair with the weft or what you would call the track on thin hair probably cause breakage or weaken the hair itself. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for being with me this evening. I'm sending positive vibes your way. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. Bye, guys.
Start off with clean hair. I am blow drying her hair in a straight format. Following with a light flat iron. Here I am starting to build the horizontal bridge with microlinks in preparation of sewing on the hair wefts. For better results, make sure to use high quality hair. I combined the two wefts together by sewing them at the end to get a more fuller look. Now it's time to sew in the weft across the horizontal bridge. I hope you're finding this video easy to follow. If you do have any questions, I have my email in the description. Use this method throughout the whole head for awesome results. Thank you for watching, family. Until next time, please make sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.